Hey guys, welcome to Sky World. All eyes are on the Supreme Court for its final week, as the justices will release cases on issues such as affirmative action, student loan payments, election law and LGBTQ rights. In addition, they will come down as the court finds itself in the center of a spotlight, usually reserved for members of the political branches due to allegations that the justices are not transparent enough when it comes to their ethics disclosures, most recently with Justice Samuel Alito last week. Here are some of the remaining cases to be decided. Of the 10 cases remaining, several that most capture the public's attention are likely to lead to fiery opinions and dissents read from the bench. Affirmative action in college admissions into consideration as a factor in admissions, a decision that could overturn long-standing precedent that has benefited Black and Latino students. At issue are programs at Harvard and the University of North Carolina that the schools say help them to achieve diversity on campus. During oral arguments, the right side of the bench appeared ready to rule against the schools. Such an opinion would deliver a long-sought victory for opponents of affirmative action in higher education who have argued for decades that taking race into consideration, even in a limited manner, thwarts the goal of achieving a color-blind society. Can businesses deny services to LGBTQ customers? At the center of another case is a graphic designer, Lorie Smith, who seeks to expand her business and create custom websites to celebrate weddings, but does not want to work with gay couples out of religious objections to same-sex marriage. Smith has not yet moved forward with her new business venture because of Colorado's public accommodations law. Under the law, a business may not refuse to serve individuals because of their sexual orientation. Smith, whose company is called 303 Creative LLC, said that she is willing to work with all people, regardless of their sexual orientation, but she draws the line at creating websites that celebrate same-sex marriage because expressing such a message would be inconsistent with her beliefs. The state and supporters of LGBTQ rights say that Smith is simply seeking a license to discriminate. The conservatives on the court were sympathetic at oral arguments to those put forward by Smith's lawyer. They viewed the case through the lens of free speech and suggested that an artist or someone creating a customized product could not be forced by the government to express a message that violates her religious beliefs. Giving state lawmakers unchecked power over federal elections. Moore versus Harper has captured the nation's attention because Republican lawmakers in North Carolina are asking the justices to adopt a long-dormant legal theory and hold that state courts and other state entities have a limited role in reviewing election rules established by state legislatures when it comes to federal elections. The doctrine, called the independent state legislature theory, was pushed by conservatives and supporters of Trump after the 2020 presidential election.